Hello everyone, welcome back. I am creating a series on how to make an e-commerce website using Django Oscar library. In previous videos, we have seen how to install and set up Django Oscar in our project. We have also explored all the inbuilt features of Django Oscar website. So now let us go ahead and customize the default Django Oscar templates. For customizing default Django Oscar templates, first we need to create a templates directory and add the settings to our settings.py. So now in settings.py we have this template section. Here we have to type os.path.join baster, templates. Okay, so now we are ready to go. In order to customize Django Oscar default templates, we will be using a method that is template overriding. Django Oscar supports templates overriding. Thing we need to do is use Oscar template path, Oscar's same template path, and extend its templates in your template. So for that we have to download all the source code of Django Oscar library. Search Django Oscar GitHub. Click on the first link you see. This is the code for Django Oscar. Click on the releases. Click on 2.1.0. Here you have two options. Click on source code zip. Your source code will be downloaded. Okay, so I have extracted the zip file into a folder, and let us create another Visual Studio window. And open the source code folder of Django Oscar. Okay, so now I have opened the source code of Django Oscar. You can see that to customize our templates, we would like to know how the templates are written in the basic source code. Here in src folder, you see all these folders like apps, core, forms, management model, static src, templates, template tags, etc. In apps folder, you can see all the default Django Oscar apps like address analytics, basket, catalog, checkout, communication, etc. So now let us open the templates folder. In templates folder we have Oscar folder, and in this folder we have all the templates, all the default templates of Django Oscar. We will see the base.html template. You can see that this is the base template of default Django Oscar website. So now in order to customize our Django Oscar template, first of all we will run our server and open our website. This is our default website as we have seen before. So now let us go and try to customize this template. First of all, we need to create a new folder called templates under our project. In that folder we need to create new folder called Oscar, and in that Oscar template, in that Oscar folder, we will be creating our all overridden templates. Here you can see that the base.html file is directly under the template/Oscar folder. So we will also copy this path and create our new template in this folder, that is base.html. Okay, for now this template is empty. Let us add some basic code for now. Let's save this. Okay, so now you can see that our rendered HTML, our overridden HTML template, that is base.html template, is now actually running on our website. So now let us extend our original Oscar template. Right, extends Oscar slash base.html. Save this file and reload this site again. Okay, so now you can see that the original base.html from Oscar's default templates is completely extended in our base.html site. And now, so we want to customize this template. So first of all, let us start with the name, title name. Here we want to customize this name Oscar to our and change it to our my shop. So let us go and explore base.html. You can see that in head portion here the block title is there. So let us try to customize this in our base.html. We have extended Oscar's base.html in our base.html template. We have also load one I18n file. So now type here block title end block, and here type trans, and in inverted commas type my shop. Let us save this and go to our page and reload it. You can see that the title Oscar is now converted into my shop title. Now we want to customize this name Oscar here, and we want to change it to my shop. So let us check our base.html again and see how we can do that. We can see that the main content will be going into block layout. So we will open layout.html and see. So now you can see that in layout.html the site logo, title, mini basket, browse, drop down list and search box is there in brand.html thing. So let us go in Oscar slash partial slash brand.html. Here it is partials and brand.html. In brand.html, you can see here the block called brand title. We will render this block called brand title in our HTML templates. So let us create a folder called partials in our templates/Oscar, and in that folder we will create brand.html file. Okay, in this brand.html, first of all we will extend the original brand.html from Django Oscar library. Type here extends Oscar slash partial slash brand.html. We'll render this block called block brand title in our HTML template. So let us go ahead and type here block brand title and the block. Here type trans in inverted commas my shop, and here we will type load I18n, save it and reload this page, and you can see that our website's title is now my shop. Now we will go further and we want to remove this login and register thing from here, from this nav bar. We would like to change the location of this login and register buttons. So let us see how these buttons are created in original Oscar templates. So as we have seen earlier, the main content goes in layout.html. So let us open the layout.html, and here you can see that top horizontal bar with account notification and dashboard links is included using nav's accounts.html file. So let us go ahead and open this nav account.html file. Here in this file you can see all the code related to our login and register button is written. We will copy this code first, and then we will create the same nav accounts.html template in our project. So let us create a new file called nav accounts.html. We will leave the file empty and reload the page, and now you can see that the navbar is gone. Now we want to add our login and register button here in this navbar. So first of all, for that we need to shift this search buttons maybe in the middle of the navbar. So let us first shift these search buttons in the middle of navbar, and then we will be adding login and register button here in this position. So now we can see that okay, now here from this block you can see that the further things, the second navigation bar is added here using nav-primary.html. So we will open nav-primary.html file, and in this code you can see that our search template is added using search.html file. So we will also open our search.html file, and here you can see our search.html file. We will just copy all this code. Now we will create a search.html file in our project. Copy this code here and remove this navbar right thing. Save it, and we will reload our page, and you can see that our navbar is now adjusted in left side. We want to give some margin to our navbar, so let us add some css to this block. We will add some style here. I'll set margin left to 360 pixels and save it, and reload the page again, and now you can see that the search form is shifted almost to the middle of the navbar. Now we would like to add a login button here. Now we would like to add some login or register button here in this navbar. We will write our code in nav primary. So now type add our class navbar. Add our class navbar. Let us write our conditions. If our user is authenticated, if our user is authenticated, we would like to show the logout button, and if our user is not authenticated, we would like to show login or register button to our user. So let us add that code here. I'll create a div and add a class called btn nav. I'll also add a hyperlink a which will have href equal to URL our URL will be customer Our URL will be customer colon login. This is the default Django. URL will be customer colon logout. This is the default Django Oscar URL we have. We will also add the class to this button. That will be button primary button small, and will show the content that is trans logout. Now we would like to do same for the login. So we will add else block here. In this else block, we will copy the same code from the above button and paste it. We will change the URL to login, and we will change this content to login or register. Now let's save this, and we'll also add our endif block. Save this and reload the page. I would like to make some changes in style of this login button. We want to add some margins to this button. Margin top of 10 pixel and margin right of 10 pixel. 7 pixel maybe. I'll copy the same style for the other button and paste it here. Let's reload this page, and you can see that we have the login button in this position. We also would like to change the color and font color of the login button like we have for search buttons. I will add a style here. The same style for the second button and paste it, save it, and reload our page. And now you can see that our login and register button is looking similar to our search button. Now you have seen that how to customize basic elements of this template, like the title or the name of the website. How can we rearrange the elements we already have. So this is how we customize the existing Django Oscar templates. This is it for this video. I hope this video will be useful for you to create your own shop. In the next video, we will be learning how to add products, product types, categories, partners to our online shop. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching this video.